In this video, I'm showing you how you can change the sound quality of audios you listen to on Spotify. If you don't know, you can change the quality of the songs you listen to. So we have a very high quality, we have a high quality, low quality, medium. Let me show you guys how you can do that. So on your Spotify page like this, tap on your profile, which is at the top left corner of your screen. You can see the arrow there, tap on that. And now we move to our settings and privacy. Good. So on our settings and privacy, let's scroll to the bottom and we can see media quality there. So now let's tap on that. Good. So we have other options here. So we have Wi-Fi streaming and we have cellular, which is mobile data. Mostly use mobile data. I can see I'm using mobile data now. So on mobile data, the streaming quality is automatic. So we have low, normal, and high, and we have very high is when you're on premium. So now let's choose very high anytime you're on mobile. Mobile data, and you're trying to stream music, it should be very, very high. So if you have the premium version, you can go with a very, very, very high, something like that. And also you can do same for video streaming too as well. When you're on a Wi-Fi, you want a very high. If you're on a cellular too, you can choose very high too as well. That's when you have a lot of data. Yeah, if you don't have a lot of data, you don't have money to buy a lot of data, don't be choosing this. Yeah. And download quality too as well. If you download songs and you're on a free version, you want a high quality. If you've paid for the premium, you go with very high, something like that. And you do same for the Wi-Fi on top too as well. So this is how you edit the sound quality of songs you listen to and videos you watch on Spotify. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. You have any question, you let me know in the comment section. I have a lot of tutorials on Spotify. You can check them out on my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.